Welcome to Hugh's HandBuilt. Today I want to show you one of our new products that we've come out with. We're looking at our Harley-Davidson Sportster and Big Twin Sprocket Lock System. Factory Harley-Davidsons use a 5-bolt pattern on the rear wheel. They've had that pattern for years and years and years. Whether you're a Sportster wheel or a Big Twin, that pattern is pretty consistent. One thing we see is the bolts back out and then cause issues with the sprockets getting loose, tearing up wheels, damaging swing arms. Let's not do that anymore. What we've got is a 2-part system plus hardware. It's a backing plate that is going to replace your factory washers on your rear wheel under these 5/8 hex head bolts. So once you've replaced the washers and you've torqued this into place to spec, your backing plates to spec, this wheel already has one pre-installed. The top plate literally acts like 5 12-point wrenches to hold your bolts in place. They're not going to come loose anymore. So you've got your bolts torqued, you've got them indexed. It may take a little bit of fudging around to get that to work. Index your bolts, put your top plate on there, a little bit of hardware with some Loctite, bolt it in, and you're done. No more worrying about those bolts coming out, damaging your wheel, trashing your sprockets or your swing arm. You're good to go. Check us out. We've got these online in our store now at www.hugheshandbuilt.com. We're also on Instagram and Facebook. So make sure you look us up, give us a shout, ask any questions you need. We're here for you.